Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel and video tutorial how to make crochet letter M. This letter is quite versatile because it can be letter M or it will be letter W. So whichever letter you require, this letter makes one of them, crochet letter M or crochet letter W. When this letter is complete, using 3mm crochet hook and double knit yarn, you're gonna end up with approximately 6.5 centimeter height letter M or letter W, whichever way you need. So before we start, I'm gonna to mention to you, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. As well, on the description below you can find the link to my blog. On my blog you can find more free patterns. As well, you can find a written pattern for this letter and remaining capital letters. Let's start making this crochet letter. And we're going to start by making chain of 42 stitches. We have a chain of 42 stitches. It is quite long chain, and we are going to move to row number 1. We are going to start our row number 1 from the second chain. We're gonna skip this one. I'm gonna start from the second chain, and we are going to start with single crochet in next 11 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. We did one single crochet in 11 stitches, and now what we're going to do, we're going to do 3 single crochet decrease. We're gonna make 3 single crochets, 1, 2, 3, and we are going to decrease. Next step will be 1 single crochet in next 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We have a partially made letter M. In next stitch, in one stitch, we are going to do 4 single crochets. So it will be 4 stitch increase in one stitch. 4 single crochets in one stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, next step will be 1 single crochet in next 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now we are going to do 3 single crochet decrease. Gonna start 3 single crochets, 1, 2, and 3, and it will be decrease. We have left 11 stitches till the end of our row number 1, and we are going to do 1 single crochet in each stitch. In total 11 single crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11, last stitch of our first row. We finished our first row, and now we have 39 stitches in the row, and that's how our letter M looks so far. It has a bit of attitude, it likes to curl up, but we can make it look into shape. That's first row of our letter M is done. We are moving to row number 2 of our crochet letter, and it will be last row. We are going to start it with chain 1, and we are going to turn it. Then we are going to do 1 single crochet into the same stitch, and next step will be single crochet in next 9 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We're coming to the point where we did 3 stitch decrease in previous row, and we're going to do in this place again another 3 single crochet decreases. 1, 2, and 3. We're going to decrease through them all. Next step will be single crochet in next 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now in next stitch we are going to do 4 single crochet increase. 4 single crochets in the same stitch. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now next step will be again single crochet in next 7 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Coming to the point where we did 3 decreases in the previous round, and we're going to do again 3 decreases in here. 3 single crochet decreases. 1, 2, and 3. Now we have 9 stitches remaining till the end of our row number 2, and we're going to do 1 single crochet in each of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We came to the end of row number 2 of our crochet letter M, and our letter is finished. Has a bit of attitude, but you can shape it whatever you would like to. The last thing what you need to do is just cut yarn off and finish it off. If you would like to shape it better, you can wet it and put somewhere safe, like under the plate or glass. That helps me to shape my letters. So let's cut our yarn off and finish it off, and our crochet capital letter M is complete. If you're going to attach this letter to a project, I suggest you leaving long tail for sewing. I'm not planning to attach it anywhere, so I'm not really leaving very long tail. That's how our letter M looks. Quite easy to make. No assembly required, easy project for the beginner, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video tutorial. Thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe, and I am going to see you in my next videos. See you, bye bye!